Anxiety can make any situation look super serious and that you're in some serious trouble, but more often than not, it's a complete lie. Hey everybody, it's Kartika. If you're looking for easy ways to release anxious thoughts today, you are in the right place. Anxiety can be broken down into two things. One, anxious thoughts. The dialogues, the images, the negative thoughts rushing through your mind. And two, anxious sensations. This is where your stomach feels off, you feel dizzy, maybe your vision is blurring a little bit, your heart is racing, you're barely able to breathe, you are feeling extremely constricted and probably feeling extremely phobic right now. Those sensations are part of the anxiety experience. In our upcoming video, probably tomorrow, we will be discussing a technique to release these anxious sensations, the fight or flight sensations. But for today, I'm going to teach you a technique that will help you heal from anxious thoughts without having to suffer because of them any longer. So if you're ready, we'll get started. Now, I understand anxiety can be extremely life-crippling. My own history has been colored with anxiety disorders for many, many years, which I came out of every single one of them using some very powerful practices, some of which I will be sharing today. So the technique to heal your thoughts that we'll be talking about today is called positive aspects focus. Okay, so all you need two sheets of paper. I'll repeat that. You need 2 sheets of paper. On the first sheet, you're going to make a list of everything that's making you feel anxious or uneasy right now about a present situation or a future situation. Whatever's causing you to feel anxious, go ahead and write out those thoughts. So I'm going to take a simple example here of a social event. Let's say you've been invited for an event and your mind is racing. Simple, not so serious, but an example nonetheless. So on the first sheet, you will write out whatever you're scared of. So you would write something, for example, like, I am scared that people will treat me badly. I am scared I'm too tiny or small compared to other people. I'm scared that I'm not good enough for them. I'm scared of a panic attack in front of them, and so on and so forth. So step 1 is make a list of all of your anxious thoughts. Now, do not read this list. Just write the list. Don't read what you've written. Just write out all of those negative thoughts. Now, if you understood this point, okay, please send out an affirmation by typing below in the comments to let me know you understood. By typing, I let go of these thoughts. Go ahead and type right now, I let go of these thoughts. Now, let's go to the next step. Step number 2. Take the next sheet of paper and write out all that you are looking forward to or positive aspects about the current situation or the future situation. What positives can you find here? And if you dig deep enough, you will find a lot of cool stuff. So in this case of the social situation, this is what, some examples you can think of. There will be water, and I like water. I like admiring the view from the window. I like plants, so I may look out for the plants in their house. I like the view from the street when I drive up to the social situation. They have a bed in their house, so I can always lay down if I feel like I need to. This is simple shift and focus. This will help you feel calmer. Now try to make this second list, okay, much longer than the first list. So let's say your first list of fears had 20 things that you wrote down. Try to make your positive focus list twice as longer. So make it 40 things of positive aspects about that situation. Now, if you understood this point, if you understood the second step, please send out an affirmation by letting me know. In the comments, go ahead and write, I focus on positive aspects. Go ahead and type it right now. I focus on positive aspects. Now, this technique is great to shift your mind, but we still need to heal the root of your anxiety. Anxious thoughts are like the leaves or the fruits of the tree. So this technique is kind of pruning at it and cutting off the leaves and the fruits. But for you to completely get rid of anxiety, which is to completely uproot this tree, we have to cut off anxiety at its roots. We have to uproot it, right? So in this case, I would like you to consider mindfulness. Now, mindfulness is a practice that cured me and rewired my brain. I have a free mindfulness webinar coming up this weekend. You're welcome to attend it. If you want to know what we'll be discussing in this class, it's a free class, 2-hour class. You can check out the description box where you'll have all the details of this class. You can attend it and start healing your anxiety the way that I did it, because it's always good to walk the path that someone has done before you, especially when they're very successful at it. So go ahead and register for that class. It's in the description. Now, when it comes to this method, the 2 sheets, you can throw away the first sheet. You can even burn away the first sheet safely. But I want you to carry the second sheet, the positive aspects sheet, with you wherever you go. So let's say anytime you're feeling anxious, go ahead and take out the second sheet, the positive aspect sheet, and review it, read through it, add more stuff to it to see the good in the situation so that you start feeling more powerful. For example, let's say you're worried about your health. In your positive aspects sheet, you can write, today I was able to drink water. Today I opened my eyes. Today I was able to blink. Today I was able to breathe pretty okay. Today I was able to walk from my bed to the main door. All of these are positive aspects which help you basically build on health one step at a time by becoming more focused on the good than on the fear. So my question to you guys is, how many of you are planning to try out this technique? Please let me know in the comments by typing I'm in. Please do let me know, because I am keeping an eye out on the people who are really interested in healing and self-development, because I want to do something special for you guys on this channel. And if you want me to make the video on healing the anxiety symptoms and sensations which we discussed, please give this video a thumbs up so it helps me realize that you want more videos on this topic, and I will definitely go ahead and make that video. Remember, my last words to you today is make sure to register for the mindfulness webinar. It's in the description. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that notification, because we're here to make your life easier. And share this with people who are going through anxiety right now. It's good digital karma points. And finally, I have a playlist on mindfulness somewhere here. The playlist is not super in detail, so I'd obviously recommend you come for the webinar, but you're always welcome to check out the playlist. And finally, I have an Instagram, and while I've very rarely asked people to go follow me there, I am planning to do some cool stuff there now coming up. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram. You'll find the handle is in the description box. So take care, have yourself a peaceful day, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Namaste.